everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. We haven't done any makeup tutorial with red lipper in a while, so I thought why not to do one today. With red lipper, you always need to go very subtle with your base and a good bronzer. That's what I have done today. So in case you want to see how did I create this look, keep on watching. I am going to start with the Bobbi Brown Hydrating Eye Cream because my under eye area seems so dry nowadays. To provide me with a subtle glow all over my face, I am using Glam Glow Glow Starter in the shade Nude Glow. This provides nice subtle glow all over the skin. For my foundation today, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Intensive Skin Serum Foundation in the shade 4.5. This is such a nice foundation for dry skin. I'm going to apply it with a damp beauty blender all over the face, covering my ear and my neck as well. For my concealer today, I'm using Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Natural Beige. This concealer is so good. It provides full coverage, it doesn't crease, it's very nice for dry skin. I think not very good for oily skin people, but for dry skin, this concealer is really nice. To highlight, I am using Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Waterproof Concealer in Light Warm. I am going to apply it under my eyes, on the tip of my nose, the center of my forehead, my cupid and my chin. And I'm going to blend it with a damp beauty blender. For contouring, I am going to use Smashbox only, and this is the Studio Skin Shaping Foundation in 1.1. And for this, I'm using the Iris brush HB28. It's very important for me to set the under eye so that it doesn't crease. So I'm going to set it with Laura Mercier powder. And now we come to eyes. I'm going to set my brows with the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in number 5. And then finally set it with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. Now we come to eyes, and for my eyes today I'm using the MAC Warm Neutral Shadow Palette. This has some really nice warm neutral shades, and I'm going to use this nice light color and I'm going to blend it in the crease line. And now the second color is a little darker color than the previous one, and I'm going to apply it on top of it. I'm again going to apply it in the crease line and blend it very well. For my main lid area, I am using the Makeup Revolution Metal Eyeshadow in the shade Rose Gold, and I'm going to use this Iris brush HB05. And apply it all over the lid, leaving the corner 1/3 of the eye. for the inner corner, I really want to add nice sparkles to it, and I'm going to add them by this product, which is Inglot Body Sparkles 55, and I'm using this iris brush HB03 for this. For a look like this, it's very important for you to apply good mascara, and I am going to apply the Marc Jacobs primer first to make my lashes look more voluminous, and then apply the same Marc Jacobs mascara. I am going to set my whole face using the Hourglass Wheel Translucent Powder, and I am going to use the iris brush HB21 for this. To give dimensions to my face, this is my new purchase, which is from Cover FX, and this is the monochromatic bronzer duo in the shade Suntan Bronze. I'm going to apply the matte color as my contour, and I'm going to use the metallic with a little sheen as my blush today. Now to highlight, I'm using Iconic London Illuminator in the shade Original. I'm going to put some drops at the back of my hand and use a beauty blender to apply this. I'm going to apply it on the top of my cheekbones, and I'm going to apply it on the tip of my nose, even under my brows. And for my lips, it's NARS Mysterious Red Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. It's that perfect red. I'll finally finish off the look with Iconic London Prep Set Glow Mist, and this provides an amazing glow all over the face. So this is the final look right in front of you. Nothing much, not much of products, a pop of red on your lips, neat and classy. You don't need to wear your liner when you're doing red, but yes, do enhance your lashes and your brows. I hope you all would have enjoyed the video as I enjoyed it thoroughly. In case you like it, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time my video goes up. I love you all, stay blessed and keep watching.